Let us see one numerical on growth of current in LR circuit. The question says a 50 volt battery is connected in series with a 2.5 Henry inductor and a 20 ohm resistor as well as a switch initially in open position. So there is a battery and it is connected to a resistor it's connected to an inductor. You have a switch. This is the situation. You can close the switch in this direction. Inductor 2.5 Henry and resistor is 20 ohms. Battery EMF value 50 volts. Okay. Now, how long after the switch is closed will the current reach 99% of its maximum value? We have seen in the previous lecture that this is an exponential curve you will get. So the expression what we have derived earlier, I is equal to IF, which is the final current, multiplied by 1 minus e power t by tau. Tau is the time constant. Now this is the time constant for LR circuit is, here they are connected in series. LR circuit, how much is it? It is 2.5 divided by 20. So it is 0.25 by 2 or 0.125 seconds. Now in this equation, now this is one time constant. Let us put t is equal to 5 time constants. T is equal to 5 time constants put, and let us see what happens. So there is a minus here, minus, this becomes 5 tau by tau IF into 1 minus e power minus 5, or I is equal to IF into 1 minus e power 5, IF multiplied by e power 5 divided by e power 5. When you actually solve it, see, e power 5 is a very big value. So when you actually solve this, you get approximately 0.9936 IF. What does this mean? At 5 time constants, almost all of the current will be transferred. This you can remember as a result. Okay, the circuit operates for 5 time constants. Almost 99% of the current is transferred. So here our answer will be, our time constant is 0.125. So 5 time constants will be 0.625 seconds, in which 99% of the current will be transferred. Now let us move to the B part. What will be the current after 0.1 seconds? See, the time constant is 0.125 seconds. If you remember, at one time constant 63% will be transferred, I told you. If I0 is the final current, 63% of I0 will be transferred in one time constant, that is in 0.125 seconds. 63% of I0 will be transferred. So here he has given 0.1 seconds. So how much current will be transferred? If you want to find out, we have to take this time expression. We have seen that I of t is equal to I of 0 1 minus, this is t divided by 0.125. so it is nothing but 1 divided by 0.125 is 8. So this is e power minus 8t. This is the expression we have got. Now at 0.1 seconds we need to put t is equal to 0.1 seconds. I0 is the maximum value. The maximum value we can work out. The maximum value will be how much? At that stage this will behave like a wire, I said. So I will be equal to V by R. V is 50 volts divided by 20 ohms. So this is 2.5 amperes. So the maximum current that can be transferred is 2.5 amperes. That is the value of I0. So 2.5 into 1 minus e power. In the place of t you need to put 0.1. It is 8 into 0.1. So 2.5 into 1 minus e power 0.8. This much current will be transferred at I is equal to 0.1. From 0 seconds to 0.1 second, these many amperes will be transferred. Okay. Now, what will be the voltage drop be after 0.2 seconds? What will be the voltage drop? Now here, if we can apply, see what will be the voltage drop across inductor. Let us call it VL. We have known that VL is di by dt. So if you apply KVL to this loop, starting from this point, assuming that the switch is closed, you get how much? Plus 50. This is minus plus. Current is flowing in this direction, so plus minus, and here also I am assuming plus minus. Current is increasing in this direction. So it is starting from this point, minus to plus. So this will be plus to minus. It is minus 20 times the current I minus L di by dt is equal to 0. So basically we want this value. So take it other side. L di by dt will be equal to 50 minus 20 I. Now he has asked the voltage drop after 0.2 seconds. See, every moment this current is changing. So we have to find after 0.2 seconds how much current has actually gone. So in the same equation, now we have to find out I of 0.2 seconds is equal to I0 into 1 minus e power 8 into 0.2. It is 1.6. We need to solve. What is I0? It is 2.5 amps. Okay. When you solve this whole thing, when you put it in the calculator, you will get approximately 2 amps. So we have found out the current that has been transferred from up to 0.2 seconds. So what is the voltage drop? Let us call this as VL. VL is equal to 50 minus 20 into 2. It is 10 volts. So after 0.2 seconds, from here to here, there is a 10 volt of drop is there. This is one method to find out, applying Kirchhoff rule. The another method is directly find out this value. Directly find out L di by dt. L value is given in the circuit. It is 2.5 Henry. Now you know that I of t as a function of time you know already. It is 1 minus e power 8t. We have derived this expression now. This is a time varying function. So when you differentiate it, you get directly the value of di by dt. This is 2.5, 8 into 2.5, you get 20 e power minus 8t. So when you put t is equal to 0.2 seconds, you can find the di by dt value directly. So when you solve it, it becomes di by dt is equal to 20 into e power minus 1.6. This value is approximately 4. So what is L di by dt? L value is given as 2.5 into 4 you will get. You just put it in the calculator and see. You get 10 volts. You calculate like this, you calculate like this, you get the same value. Okay.